it's Megan with WTI, and I love great coffee, but it's not always easy to obtain while I'm traveling. I do not have to feel that way anymore thanks to this CONCACO Portable Espresso Machine. This machine makes amazing tasting coffee. I love that it offers flexibility in that I can make the coffee in two different ways, either with an espresso original pod or with my own ground coffee. I am really happy with where I live, but one thing about it is that it's not really known for its good coffee. I can get an excellent cup of tea, but coffee, not so much. Having the ability to make my own coffee absolutely anywhere is a total game changer. We also tend to make a lot of road trips where there are long stretches with no coffee places, either good coffee or bad coffee, so having this machine really comes in handy for that too. It heats up and dispenses the coffee quickly into the little plastic cup, and then I can drink it straight out of the cup. Even if we're going to be in a place that has great coffee, maybe it's just too expensive or we don't want to leave our hotel room. All we have to do is pack a few coffee pods, this machine, and we're good to go. To be able to make my own coffee with speed, convenience, and almost no mess, what more do I want? But that's just my point of view.